Hey local business owners, want to dominate your local market? I'm Tauseef, Shah, digital marketing expert from Software's digital marketing agency. And today we are diving into the secret sauce of local SEO, Google My Business. Picture this, two roofers, both in Scottsdale, Arizona, one ranked number one on Google Maps, getting a flood of calls, the other barely a blip. So what's the difference? Their Google business profiles. Making your Google business profile SEO friendly is crucial. I'll show you top-notch tactics to get your profile to the top of Google Maps and turn searches into customers. These are not random tactics. These are backed by experiences of top local SEO expert and my own client success stories. We will use insights from the local search ranking factor report to guide us. For example, our clients had 300% increase in local leads after optimizing their profiles. How would you like to see similar growth for your business? Ready to roll? Let's start with some game-changing tools. First up is GMB Everywhere. It lets you spy on your competitors and see what's working for them. Next, use Clear to dive deeper into competitors' insights. These tools reveal hidden details that can give you an edge. Now, let's talk about the local searching ranking factors report. This report breaks down what Google looks for when ranking businesses on maps. We will focus on the most impactful factors. Number one, business categories. Choosing the right primary categories is crucial. It's the top ranking sector. Check what your top competitors are using and align your category. For example, HVAC company in San Diego improved its ranking by switching from HVAC contractor to plumber, a more search terms. Are you using the best category for your business? Next, keywords in your business name. This strategy is so effective, it's the second most influential factor. Make sure your business name includes the relevant keywords. But be careful, this needs to match your real world name to avoid suspension. Consider using a DBA to legally include keywords. Positive reviews are your golden tickets. They are the backbone of your reputation and a critical ranking factor. Aim for frequent, high-quality reviews and encourage customers to add more photos. Check out Clear to compare your review profile with competitors. Make review as a part of your daily operation to stay ahead. Lastly, predefined services. Any specific services to your profile can improve your visibility. If available, add relevant services to match what people are searching for. Log into your Google My Business account, add services, and watch your visibility soar within 24 to 72 hours. Follow these steps to rank number one on Google Maps. Remember, your Google My Business profile is just half the battle. Your website's optimization is the other half. Visit our website to learn how to optimize your local SEO and 10x your chances of being found by local customers. Visit our website now to book your free consultation and start dominating your local market. Let's get you to the top of Google there.